Hello, lovely souls, and today we are going to be doing a reading on past life with your person. So, let's see what happened with your person in your past life. This is going to be a detailed reading, guys. So, you'll take your time and think about your person and think about your relationship currently, and then choose a pile to know what happened in the past life. Okay, y'all can choose only one pile in this reading, obviously, guys, and also you take your time, okay, and choose the pile which calls to you the most. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with silver. So the silver candy cane is the first pile, the blue candy cane is the second pile, and the green one is the third pile. So guys, you all take your time, and I'm going to be starting with the silver pile. Guys, I'm also going to tell y'all to not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also guys, do not forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video from me in the future. So this is a silver candy cane, and let's see what happened with your person in your past life. Okay, um okay, so let's see. This is a detailed reading, guys, so you are going to get a lot of information about you and your person. Okay, um the reason why we are doing this reading is, guys, so that y'all can understand your relationship more clearly in this lifetime. So let's get some clarity on why things are happening with us. Okay, what I see, guys, that you were a person, who had a lot of strength. Okay, who is very active, kind of, I can say. You could be a masculine, you had lots of strength. You could be a male, you had lots of strength. You fell in love with this person, your current partner maybe, and you ran away because that thing did not match your goals. Okay, your life, what you had planned, was not like that. Okay, so you you ran away, okay, because you wanted to achieve what you wanted to achieve. You did not have time. Okay, you did like that person, you did get involved with them, and then you just escaped, okay, from the situation. And this caused a lot of anxiety and pain to your person. Lots of depression, anxiety, pain, but that person was still hopeful, still positive that someday you would come back to them and you would choose love. But that did not happen, and unfortunately this person had to get married to someone else. Okay, they had to get married, have start a family off with someone else. Okay, and you guys always remained in hermit mode. Because of that, you all never got married. Okay, in that lifetime you all stayed alone. So this is what I see for you guys. And this person never even if they had a family, they were never happy because they were always waiting for you, and what they got in return was this icy cold behavior from you. Okay, you always prefer to stay alone, even if you know this person tried to approach you, try to be friends with you. At least you were never available, because once you got, maybe this person was your twin flame, soulmate, higher level soulmate. This is the reason why your past life was like this with this person. You always felt that if they came back to you in some or the other ways, even as a friend, they would attack you, and they would tell you harsh things which would break your heart. Okay, because you saw them as a queen of swords, as they had already got married, they had children, and they were ruling. So you never went back, and nor did you allow them into your life. So this is the reason why you always wanted to be single, maybe a bachelor, and you had good money, and you had always wanted to live this life comfortably and luxuriously without any responsibilities. So you always chose and prefer to be in hermit mode. So if your current situation is that your person is not allowing you in I hope guys y'all know the reason why, because this is what your story was with them. So this might solve many of your queries, and I see 5 over here. So this is going to change now. Your situation is going to change after you realize your mistakes. So I hope this will be a healing reading for you guys. And let's move on to the blue candy cane. So if you all have chosen the blue candy cane, okay, this is what I have for the silver one. Let's move on to the blue pile. Okay, let's see your life. Okay, what I see over here is, guys, attachment, like devil's energy. Okay, very caring and loving, though addicted to family, children. Okay, let's get into the details. Then only we'll get to know the entire story. So in your past lives, if I could say, your story with your person was that you're quite attached to your children. Okay, maybe you got married to this person, and you had children with them, and you were quite attached to your children. Okay, and you were quite attached to your family, to your home. Okay, luck did favor you until you were with them, but all of a sudden I see that you chose money over here, because you chose to go out for money, you chose to travel for a business or something like that, and you moved away, okay, from your family, because you chose money, and you chose to be away from your children, and your that did give you a sense of happiness. In the beginning you were wondering, and it was very nice and everything was great. Okay, you were in fool's energy, you were enjoying your life, and you were, but back home your person was very wounded and heartbroken, staying alone, and they had to feel a lot of pain, because and because they could get lack of communication from you, because you never opened up. Maybe you going far, you never shared your problems, your troubles, everything with them. You became distant from them because of your money issues, and this caused a lot of health issues for your person. She fell sick, or he fell sick, because of the heartbreak that they got as you moved away, and you were busy working and not communicating and not taking care, and everything came on them. So this was a big thing. It was a and you not communicating from also made a big issue, trouble and issue. But I also see, like, you were, once you went there, you became quite, you had to face lots of troubles, but then you became the emperor, then you got a lot of money, then you became quite rich. Okay, so you chose money over them. That's what I see. Again, that was a new beginning for you. Okay, and this is what I see over here, new beginning, more money. You did provide them with more money, which gave her the happiness of staying with her kids, and providing for them. She could do everything for them, and she tried to find, or he tried to find happiness with the children. Okay, rather than with you. So maybe even this person had to face a lot of stuff from family, because you never called them to be with you afterwards. So this was the story I see over here. And you stayed away from them, away from your family, and this caused a lot of trouble. They tried many times so that you should call them with and be with your family, but that could not work out. So this is maybe your story, and this is the reason why maybe your person chooses money over you. Okay, in this lifetime they choose to enjoy their money. They don't believe in relationships, because they have been hurt deeply, badly. Okay, and you started your own new life over there, and they were over here to raise children alone, and they did successfully do that and be lived a happy life, but there was no emotional attachment over here. So if you all have chosen the blue pile, it's a very sad story, and I hope this helps you to realize what you have done to your person, and get back with them with a clean with no issues regarding how they behave with you. This shall solve your problem of heartbreak if your person chooses money over you right now. Okay. Realize, guys, it is your mistake. Okay, so if you all have chosen the green candy cane, let's see. Okay, what was your past life with your person? So I see heart, 10 of swords, I see death. Okay. I see 6 of pentacles, I see the magician, the tower, the queen of cups, the 10 of wands, 4 of wands, the 9 of cups, the page of pentacles, the 6 of wands, the king of swords, the ace of pentacles, and the 5 of swords, and the 8 of swords. Okay, so what I see over here, guys, is in your past life with this person, maybe you did get married to this person. Maybe you were girl, guy, whatever. That is, gender is not the thing over here. But I see more you being a woman in your past life, being caring, being loving, working hard for your family, celebrating with your family. Okay, but you being the magician and providing everything for everyone. Okay, and you taking all the efforts in love. Okay, and I also see that your person was quite a strong natured person. Okay, they were quite strong in speaking, and their words broke your heart. Maybe they did give you the 10 of swords energy. Okay, they did walk away from you. They were never sure if they wanted to be with you. Maybe this was an arranged marriage or something like that situation, and this caused a lot of pain in you. This is what I see over here. I also see, guys, you trying to taking care of your family, taking care of their kids, his kids, his parents. You did everything. You were the perfect wife. You material, you did everything out there, but this person was never emotionally and physically available for you. Okay, and this person had harsh words. Maybe your person did not want you in their life. So as I see over here, you did not stay there. Okay, maybe you chose to move off. You chose to break this relationship which was built on false foundations. You did not want to stay because you knew that you could provide and you could do everything. So you cut this toxic relationship off with them, because you could not go on anymore with them. So you see their harsh behavior, and you doing everything for the family yet getting nothing from them was a big no response from them. Okay, and this you lived your own new life. That's what I see over here in this pile. You chose to live your life, and this person stuck in their behavior and toxicity. You walked away. I see you looking back at them, trying to look back all the time, trying to check on them, but all you saw was that this person never, okay, the hands were always tied. This person never wanted this connection. I see they wanted to be with someone else, maybe, or they wanted to be free, and they were like blinded towards this connection. They never saw your love, they never saw your efforts taken for them and for their family. This marriage was a toxic thing for them which they did not want to deal anymore, and you being more loving and giving them everything and doing things for them. They did not want to see that. Maybe even they moved away from you and started living a new life in a separate place or something like that, and that made you choose to move, cut cords with them, and walk away and live your own life in peace and happiness. And this was what you did afterwards. You have got your mental peace back, and you stayed in a different place, away from him and away from this, and living your life peacefully and providing for your family. You knew you could do everything yourself. You did not need anyone. So guys, here it's not your mistake. Okay guys, your person was never ready for you and never saw your value, and maybe in this life also your person is not yet ready to see your value. Okay, so if you are like, why was this person like that to me, it's not your mistake guys. This person has always been like that. This person has always been a workaholic. This person has always liked to be independent. They don't like emotional connections maybe. Okay, and you have come here to learn to be independent. That time you were quite independent. Now this time you also need to be quite independent. So I hope guys, if y'all have this, y'all have come here to heal your heart basically. Okay, that time y'all were quite strong enough to move on, but this time y'all have come here to heal the heart with a green candy cane. Okay, so this is what I have for you guys in this reading. Do see, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.